In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm compliance with YouTube monetization policies and get your channel ready to earn. If you're planning to monetize your content on YouTube, it's important to make sure everything is set up properly from the start. This process is not just about turning ads on, it also includes making sure your account is secure, that your channel meets YouTube's requirements, and that your earning settings are configured in a way that supports your content across different parts of the platform. To begin, take a moment to confirm that your channel complies with YouTube monetization policies. This is a key part of the process because YouTube reviews your content and channel activity before approving monetization features. Make sure your videos follow advertiser-friendly guidelines, community standards, and copyright rules. It's a good idea to review your content carefully so there are no obvious issues that could delay approval. Even if your channel is growing well, compliance is what helps you move forward successfully. Next, turn on two-step verification for your Google account. This step is required and also helps protect your channel from unauthorized access. When this is enabled, signing in will require an extra layer of verification in addition to your password. That added security is especially important if your channel is connected to monetization features and payment information. Make sure this is fully activated on the Google account linked to your YouTube channel before continuing. Once that's done, go to YouTube Studio and open the Earn section to apply. This is where YouTube guides you through the monetization application process. Follow the prompts carefully and review each part before submitting. Depending on your channel status, you may see eligibility information, progress indicators, or requirements that still need to be completed. Take your time here so everything is accurate and complete. After applying, set up your ad defaults across watch page ads, shorts feed ads, and memberships. This helps define how monetization features will be handled by default on your channel. Setting these preferences in advance can save time later and creates a more consistent setup across your content. As you go through these options, think about the type of videos you make and how your audience interacts with them. Defaults can usually be adjusted later,